Welcome to my class. In this class we are going to talk about fifth generation of computers. 1989 onwards this generation is continuing, and in this case the sole focus is on artificial intelligence. The research is on to develop computers which will have the thinking power just that of human brain. These computers, which are based on artificial intelligence, they are designed to be thinking computers capable of storing large amount of data to be retrieved as and when required to solve a complex problem. Such a computer would have the capability to learn from its mistakes and possesses the skill of human experts. The development of these machines appearing during 1990s with the invention of super large-scale integrated chips. These chips contain large number of electronic components which functions as a complete system. The process of developing these computers is still in the development stage. The goal of fifth generation computing is to develop devices that respond to natural language input and are capable of self-learning and self-organization. Three major characteristics can be observed in the fifth generation of computers. The first one is artificial intelligence. The second one is mega chips. And the third one is parallel processing. When we talk about parallel processing, it means performing number of tasks at the same time. The first characteristic is artificial intelligence. AI is a branch of computer science concerned with the study and creation of computer systems that can perform work without intervention of human being, and we cannot make a distinction that this work is performed by machine or human being. Artificial intelligence consists of number of related technologies such as expert systems, natural language processing, robotics, speech recognition, and computer vision. Japanese company Honda has developed one particular robot, and they have named this robot as Asimo. This is a good example of artificial intelligence. The second characteristic is mega chip. Computers may use super large scale integrated chips. These chips do have microprocessor having millions of electronic components on a single chip. These chips have voluminous amount of storage capacity that may enable fifth generation of computers to act like human mind. The third characteristic is parallel processing. If a computer can execute only one instruction at a time, it is termed as serial processing. Whereas a computer using parallel processing assesses several instructions at once and works on them at the same time through use of multiple central processing units, CPUs. Here you can see that Asimo playing football. Thank you very much.